What's going on, YouTube? Bobby with Precision Iron. I am machining, believe it or not, a crochet hook as a present from my mother. This is my semi-new Grizzly G4015. I got it for a steal, less than 700 bucks, I believe. But it works phenomenal. After a little bit of cleaning up, this thing here has been a boss. One problem though, and if you guys have any ideas or have had the issue yourself, the head on the guy always moves once we start, milling anything. I know the adjustments and blah blah blah, but just no matter what we do, we can't seem to get it to settle. And it's always a constant change from lathe to this guy. And I know there's always going to be adjustments, but at the same time, there's got to be a different solution to, tramming it up a little better to where there's not so much work involved with, getting it a lot more stable for usage. But this is the project in the work, and I will put out a little video here of the finished product when we finish it up. Alright, YouTube, thanks guys.